If you want to avoid the malls this holiday season and put a little extra thought into your gifts, we have you covered. Our Gift Guide Week continues with a look at some unique DIY gifts with eco-journalist Candice Batista. Candice, welcome.
Hey, hi, Ben.
I'm so glad. So we ran through this earlier, but so much incredible stuff here. Talk to me about what we're looking at today.
Well, personalized gifts are so lovely, right? If you're receiving a gift that somebody made for you, it does feel a little bit different than you getting a gift card, as an example.
That's true.
So we're going to start with something really simple that you can use, you can make rather. This is one of my favorite recipes. All it is brown sugar, organic sugar, cold-pressed coconut oil, and some organic honey. You mix it into a little container like this. Smell how good that smells.
Oh, geez.
Yeah, it smells beautiful.
So this is a body scrub.
This is a body scrub. So
That's
you
really
can put a little label on it, super cute, and it can go in a little bag.
Wow.
Done. Homemade. You can make a huge batch and give it to all your beauty lover friends.
Would you be able to add anything else to it if you wanted?
You don't need to.
No,
I mean,
simple
you
is
could.
better.
It's really the coconut oil gives that beautiful scent, but you could add like a vanilla essential oil if you wanted to make it a little bit different scented. Absolutely.
Okay, this looks like potpourri.
It is.
And you made this.
I did. So this is homemade potpourri. I love giving this as a gift because when you walk into someone's home and you get that smell of the holidays, this is a great way to do this. So how this works is literally you're going to bake, and what I did here was I used 3 different kinds of citrus fruits. I used lemon, limes, and oranges. I added a little bit rosemary.
And you sliced them thin?
Slice it very thin, and you're going to bake it in the oven for a long time.
Is that all you do?
That's all you do. So you set the oven to about 200.
Essentially you bake it till the water's gone, right?
Exactly. You're dehydrating it. So if you have a dehydrator, you can do that as well. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put the instructions. All I did was I made these little instruction cards. Okay. So it tells the person exactly how to use this.
Pour in pot, cover with
water. Right? So you're pouring this in a pot, you let it simmer, so when people arrive to your home, they get this beautiful scent of the holidays.
What a great idea.
So, and you can put it in different jars, you can make it for all different kinds of people.
Okay, what am I looking at here?
So refill and grocery stores that are offering more zero waste options where you can go and refill. So things like laundry detergent, things like dish soap. If you don't have a refill store or grocery store near you, you can make something very, very simple. I've got a ton of recipes on my website. You can look on Pinterest and find a ton of recipes. So what I've done here, this is like for the hostess with the mostest, right? So a beautiful detergent that she can use. And then I've added a few wool balls because we know that dryer sheets are one-time use. They don't get recycled. They end up in landfill.
So many times. And then you put it in this laundry bag.
Yes, so instead of wrapping paper, I've put it in a little mesh bag, which is great for produce shopping.
All right.
This is one of my favorites, Ben. This is for the chef at home. So all I've done with this is I've taken a cute mason jar. I don't want you to go out and buy mason jars. You can find these at thrift shops. You can find them on trade websites. There's so many options. All I've done is I've wrapped a really cute tea towel into a roll like this. I've slid it into the jar, and then I've added a cute little wooden spoon, and also inside here is a recipe. So you can print up a favorite recipe, a cookie recipe, something like that, a perfect gift.
Now, we only have just over a minute left, so we've got to get through a lot.
I'll do fast. Okay, so curated gift baskets are obviously all the rage, but why not make your own?
I know.
Right? So all I've done here is I've got this beautiful basket. It's actually made in Canada. I've stuffed it with an organic tea towel. Beautiful. I've added some reusable paper towels, so the unpaper towel.
And the personalized stuff,
And these are all little things that people can use to kind of start their green journey. So a book is a great way to do that. We've got a couple of bamboo straws because we know how bad plastic straws are. We've got a reusable coffee cup. Isn't that awesome? And then a little handmade candle that I've wrapped in an old shoe bag. And that's really the point.
That's great. And it's actually, it's also beautiful. You've done such a great job.
You don't have to wrap it.
No?
That's what I love.
Okay, what's this here?
Quickly, for the beauty junkie in your family, all I've done is I've grabbed this beautiful reusable box and I've put a whole bunch of my favorite low-waste products in here.
Really good too.
Doesn't it smell incredible? So we've got deodorant, we've got shampoo bars, we've got a beautiful oil, we've got a safety razor, which is better than the plastic disposable
And there's resources online that can give you tips on what to fill this with.
Absolutely, 100%. And then instead of the conventional wrapping paper, which a lot of the time is not recycled or can't be recycled because it's laminated or whatever it is, using brown paper, it's highly recyclable, but the cool thing is it's just having some fun.
And you have these cute little I took a picture of this because I want to do this at home. Candice, thank you so much.
Thanks,
Happy holidays to you.
You too.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.